In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva with Printify. If you are new to print on demand, this workflow will help you go from a simple idea to a ready-to-sell product quickly and confidently. Before we dive in, make sure you have active accounts with both Canva and Printify. You don't need any special credentials beyond a standard login. But having both tabs open will make the process smoother. Start in Canva, where you will create the artwork for your product. You can search for a template that fits your style or begin with a blank canvas if you prefer full control. For apparel like t-shirts and hoodies, a common canvas size is roughly 4,500 by 5,400 pixels, which keeps your design crisp when printed. That said, always check the specific product dimensions on Printify later, because each item can have slightly different print areas. While designing, keep important elements away from the edges. Aim for high contrast so text is readable and avoid ultra-thin lines that may not print well. When you are happy with the design, it's time to export. In Canva, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG as the file format for the best balance of quality and transparency support. If you have Canva Pro, enable transparent background. This removes any unwanted boxes or color blocks around your artwork and helps it blend seamlessly onto the product. If you are working without transparency, be mindful of how your background color will sit on the garment or item color you choose later. Now head to Printify and log in. Browse the catalog to select the product you want to customize, such as a t-shirt, mug, or tote. Click Start Designing to open the editor for that product. Upload the PNG you just exported from your device. Once it's in the editor, scale and position the design within the printable area. Center it visually and check any on-screen guides to make sure you are not placing key parts too close to the edges. If the preview flags low resolution, return to Canva and increase your canvas size before exporting. With placement set, move on to pricing. Printify will show you the base cost of the product. You will add your desired profit on top to arrive at the retail price. Consider your audience and market when choosing a margin. Finally, connect Printify to your online store so your product can be published and orders can sync automatically. Once connected, you are ready to list and start selling. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.